Tired of your friends and family mooching off your Instagram account? Let us lock that down right now. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. This opens up the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now, find and tap on Accounts Center. This is where all your account security options are located. In Accounts Center, select Password and Security. Then tap on where you're relogged in. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices currently logged into your Instagram account. Tap on your Instagram account. Select all the devices you don't recognize, or simply select all of them if you want to be extra secure. Finally, tap Logout. This will kick everyone off your account. For extra security, go back to the Password and Security page and choose Change Password. Pick a strong, unique password thought is difficult to guess. That's it. You've now stopped account sharing and secured your Instagram.